That's a little loud. Okay. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now let's see if this works. Okay. Now let's... go to the dashboard. And then we're gonna pop out chat. Copy this. There we go. Okay, don't worry about this. Oh, hey, look at that. We're gonna change this so now we can see chat. Look at that. That should hopefully work. All right. Welcome everyone. Welcome to a stream. We are doing a very late night stream. So I've been working on this for a little bit. I think I found out the right way I should be doing all these item abilities for the future. And it hopefully is going to allow for some interesting combinations. As we could see, look at this. I've been kind of sketching out over here, just kind of planning out like all the data tags. It's basically a data tag. Like I'd shoot this bow. Look at that. Scale. Oh, I've been messing around with scale, going around here, scurrying around. This is a completely, look at that, completely different detection. One for the mob and one for me. This is actually, I think, this one's advancements, this one's enchants. Enchants, I might do a mix of both, we'll see. Who knows? Yeah, look at that. Alright, let's get to the coding. So, with, we're gonna work on mobs, because I'm kind of tired of making items all day, so we are just gonna work on mobs. We got basic mob. I'm gonna list it here as a zombie. Ooh. Yeah. What if I do uppercase? Nah. Okay. We are gonna import this because this is config. We got a huge like little area right here working. This is for entity names. I could change that too. So we'll do mob. I think I have the same code here. Yeah, item register. Config.mob. And we'll call this, the same with it, mob register. There we go. And now this is going to carry all the mob data. So I'm guessing in items, or 4 items in items. So for mob in mob register. Now this is the fun part. Because we're accessing each little config over here and zombie, I can access health, I can access name. Name's actually driven by data components, custom data components. So I think right here, yeah, name. I can name it Doom or whatever. I don't know, but yeah, it's gonna be kind of interesting. Actually, you know, I could change the theme up real quick. Where do I name my Backrooms music? Yeah, there we go. So we're working with a few different systems, a few different possibilities. One of them is advancements, which is great for like detecting instant change. One's advancements or enchants are good for items specifically tied to the item. Advancements are tied to the player. You can sort of simulate it being tied to the item if you give the item a specific data tag, I think. Yeah, data tags. So just like with the mobs, what we're doing here. Actually, we're working on mobs. Yeah, I'm not working on items. I'm gonna go and look up Gamer Geeks, and we are gonna look at summon mob. Let's do zombie for now. Oh yeah, we should have a type equals zombie. Okay. Now, I think what we do here. Oh, we do not want to do that. There we go. What we want to do here is, I'm guessing, that's item lore. Summon zombie. I got that from Gamer Geeks. So instead of zombie, we're gonna do mob dot, and we'll do type. Mob dot type. But we're also gonna execute let's do an execute at all players if entity at nearest entity type is not player. So now we're just detecting one entity. We should do all entities at a distance of dot dot. Let's say a 7 block radius, why not? And tag equals, and now this is important, we're gonna leave this blank. Actually, we're gonna just do test and then run that command. So in the mob register, we are gonna instead replace the tag with the mob dot what should I probably name would be mob dot name. But now this could be a little confusing, so I'm just gonna do a separate thing. Let's call this format name equals mob.name dot replace spaces with underscores and dot lower. Yeah. So we're gonna have a format name. Perfect. And actually we could steal this data name. That's always going to be at the very end. And instead of that, we're going to have mob name. So we can keep mob name just like that. Oh. Yeah. Speed watch. Oopsie. Forgot that it's not watching. Oh. Oh yeah, save all. Whoops, forgot the commas. Oh yeah. There's supposed to be a list. We aren't supposed to order it, and we're not supposed to have values. There we go. Gotcha. Okay, guess how it works. So now instead of we do summon here, we do like a. We're gonna go MC Stacker, and we're gonna do a summon. Marker with data. And the data is going to be all lowercase zombie. I'm going to /reload. Why is this not working? Function take entity spawning. Tag. Oh shoot, they do. Oh man, I messed up. It's not supposed to be data. It's supposed to be tags. Oh, it summons. As, so it's supposed to be as at current entity, if entity when summon. There we go. This might spawn like a bajillion zombies. No? Oh, because... Duh. Function dungeon tick spawning. Yeah, because it's not on tick, that's why. And entity. We're actually gonna have nested execute. Spawning. There's all entities. Why is it not updating? And that's my main dot bolt. What if I just do... okay. Move to trash. And then we do... I don't know. spawning. There it is. Okay. I don't know why that was happening. And then we're just gonna kill it. Nearest entity. Type not player. Tag format. Run. Kill. Current entity. That should hopefully work. So that we remove that entity. Oh, look at that. Bam. Oh. So yeah, okay. Now here's the fun part. We can actually, I think I have to import. No, but we can import particle library into this, which should be fun. Yeah. Man, this is boring backrooms. I need to get myself some fun backroom stuff. What's this fancy cat doing here? Ooh. Oh yeah, Minecraft music. In a Minecraft game. I should have played this a long time ago. There we go. Execute as nearest player, or nearest entity. And this won't get players, this won't get anything else. We don't need the distance. Or distance, maybe, yeah. We'll do distance of 1 block, why not? Oop, for height, it does that. Would still do that. Perfect. Okay, currently this just runs one command. And it executes for each iteration. Ooh, let's experiment with particles. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Maybe we'll do something simple like, let's not use particle library just for the simple stuff. Particles. Let's do dust color transition. Okay, let's see how this works. And let's do 0.5, 0.5, and 1. Nah, that's too little. Okay. I like that. Okay, sweet. Ooh, you know what? Slash play sound. We are gonna do magma. Not squish. arrow, bat. That was like a poof. No, not that. Play sound. Wait, I'm gonna look at my old project. Repositories. Dungeon Runner version 3. Mm-hmm. I think it was dungeon function mob slash spawning. Particle. I got the exact. That's the exact. And instead of repeating this a bunch of times, we're just doing another function. Dungeon colon tick slash entity slash spawning slash sound. And then we just call that function. So now if I just do a slash reload, and I think oh, it works. Man, okay, sweet. Now it's just the items that's going to be a little bit difficult. I wonder, how should I do it? I haven't figured out armor. Well, I have, but armor is gonna be a little difficult. So name John Bork. I don't know. And it's gonna be type husk. So if I rename this to John_Bork. Oh yeah. Why does it have 20 health? Oh, shoot, I haven't implemented health yet. Properties. Let's do 10 health. I'm just gonna copy this into main.bolt. We're gonna health mob.health. Format underscore health equals mob.health. Actually, we're gonna apply this into an F function wrapper. Base mob.health. \\. All right. Yeah, I guess that's a string. Wonder if I could just do a quick replace with. I'm just doing \\. Replace with. Yeah, no. That was a good try. If we just do does that still work? Wait. Wait, I should probably have done it like one. It does. You don't need the F. Huh. I guess it's just formatting, but. Goodbye, John Pork. You will be missed. Yeah. Nope. Don't want to summon the mule. Ah, yeah, now the health's working. Okay, okay. That's good to know. What if I do... Ooh, space chair. Yeah, this is kind of nice. What if we do... Because now I'm thinking... Mob spawning? Let's get in there. in that function. Probably gonna have additional MBT data that I'm thinking. No attributes. Drop chances, absolutely nada. And then can we have okay. Health 10. Can we just have like a hanging? Oh yeah. There we go. We can have hanging commas. Okay, so this is legal. This is weird, but this is legal. This little comma here can hang. So I guess we can have MBT. How should I do this? Probably like that. Mob.mbt. Expected a colon, but MBT equals mob.mbt. Expected a colon. No, but you need this. Unless it just doesn't like it being placed at the end there. You could always do okay. Let's just not use this. MBT equals that. Alright. Oh yeah, because mob MBT. Can't do an F string. What if I do? And do like a literal like wrap it in 3. I'm doing that, okay. Then data. This is gonna be so jank. Name. Mob name. Put that in that's main hand. Type error unsupported format, string cast. What? Okay, wait. To mob dot okay, what if it has none of that? Is it gonna get mad at me? Expected a colon. Of course. Okay. We are gonna look at documentation now. Beat documentation. JSON files. File state. Okay. Okay, this is annoying. this little bit of code. It's giving me that error. I hate Mecha. There's so many issues with this. Oh, wait, maybe. Okay. Okay, so apparently in Python, I'm just gonna unwrap this. Construct. I'm just gonna copy and paste that. NBT dot. Okay, they got update function with mob dot NBT. Okay. This might work. No. Okay, wait, never mind. We had it kind of right before. That update. Because this is not copyable. let's go back. Can we use... Yeah. There is no module. Okay, wait, that's... We're calling this MBT. Extra underscore MBT equals, and we're gonna parse this as a string. Mob.mbt, not strip. Is valid. Parser, yeah. Okay, and then we have an if extra underscore MBT, then we're gonna do MBT, but we're gonna concate this F string. And I hate when that happens. MBT. Okay, that's valid. Type class. This is an issue. Can we not have... see, concatenation, or whatever you call it. It's just... think there's a way to upload raw code with this. Probably. Okay, wait, there is. It's called the emit function. Stop doing triple quotes. Summon mobtype and MBT. That's an issue. Wait, can we? Is that possible? See, that's an error too. No, it's wanting. I know there is maybe a possible way to do this without it being angry that I have a class type string in the MBT. I don't know. And I think I can output it raw, like raw code. But I only need to partially output it. I need to pre-compile it. That's what I need to do. Yeah. Yield as an F string. Yield isn't allowed, but pretty sure. I'm looking through the GitHub repository. Scripts. Oh. Examples, yeah. Code basic combine. Okay, okay. I need to output a string as a... Ooh, okay. Output a string. Yield isn't the right word. Inject import, what is that? Pipeline demo. Data class world. Mod type MBT string. Ah. Oh yeah, we need this above this. Wait, did that work? No. T data. XMT is mod that. Okay. Hmm. How to inject MBT data for a Minecraft mob in beat/bolt. Let's see if that happens to be anything. Bolt macro. Nah. You know what? Print MBT. That looks to be correct. Huh. 50-50 shot, this actually works, and 50-50 shot, this fails. MBT, type. You know, this is probably, this section right up here, this is probably as close as I can get to importing extra MBT. The only problem is Bolt has a very hard time distinguishing between string, because apparently it's not supposed to have a type. Yeah. But this string right here, this is what I need. And that's a string currently. Do I? Ooh, okay, okay. Wait, I could just use a bolt macro? Wait. Let's see if this works. Wait, MBT. No, mob type doesn't need to be a macro. Did that work? No. See, that's not right. Wait, from bolt, import, from time. Let's see if it, okay. And this is, oh, this is gonna be an F string. This is gonna be type MBT. Oh wait, Oops. Type object has no parse source. Mm-hmm. That does not work. Well, yeah, you know, who knows? Yeah, at least this works. Wow. Man. So we can't have string. We can't parse through bold expressions without it being invalid. Ooh. I don't know what time it is. Damn. That was late. See, but this MBT structure right now is basically what you need. That's like all this here, this section right here, that's pretty much what I need. wonder if CTX context wise. I completely forgot about that. Equals F string summon mob type, boom, MBT, boom, CMD. Never mind, I think I messed this up. Init command. Like it has no emit. Okay, that's good to know. Damn. What about split? Generator is not subscriptable. Okay, well, we're getting somewhere. Can we even import? At this point, I'm just throwing out any solution at this point. I feel like CTX was the closest we got. Wait, is that an actual thing? here. Shoot. Oh. Sorry about that. Hello, Experimenter. I'm just... Yeah, I'm sleepy, but... Oh my lord, this is painful. Working around Bolt, I'm pretty soon I'm just gonna like use context to create a function. This is my pain right here. I've been, well, for data packs I've been working on since like 2020. So, what is it, 6 years now? Jeez. Yeah, this is all just main.bolt. You get item lore. This is for all the item lore stuff. Enchantments. Config. This is the main file that... Dude, I got you. Say less. basically all you have to worry about is that in config, this little file here lets you create all this stuff. I'm just creating the tools that create this stuff, like demo item. And we can actually /reload and we can do loot give current entity loot. Oh. We'll just get rid of that for now. It was erroring out. Oh, yeah, I got you. I was guessing how loud this might be, so. There we go. Loot. Yeah, dungeon demo item. Yeah. That's all from this code. Just have passion, I guess. Follow your dream. I don't know. I do make tutorials. I'm gonna make more tutorials, but I just learn from more people and communities than anything else. And all my test items. We do sort of have mob spawning working though. How to learn? That's a good question to implement. It really depends on what you're after. I work in Minecraft data packs, so most of the stuff I do is of the data pack relations. Oh, that's kind of cool. Minecraft configs are technically they're configs, but not Minecraft. That's the weird thing. I'm implementing my own config system currently for a dungeon game or dungeon data pack. This is gonna be the smartest data pack I've made so far. I mean, Dungeon Runner version 3 was pretty smart, but like, I mean, come on. No, okay. Technically not open source. Minecraft offers tools that you can use to make stuff like this. Like demo item here. All this stuff is kind of stretching what Minecraft can do. Like, I know Minecraft offers custom world generation. Yeah. So technically you don't need a mod loader. No mod loader at all. Like all this is vanilla. Oh. We are running in 1.21.5, but it's very easy to update to newer versions. It is Python. It's a weird mix between Python and Minecraft. That is kind of what .bolt stands for. Well, not really, but it's what .bolt files work on. Implementing more Python features and more, I would say Minecraft Python integration. I don't know. Yeah, well, the sad part is that I think only my best guesstimate is like at most 1,000 people have ever heard of it. I'm wanting to add more implementation, like just introduce the community more, because it's powerful. I mean, like, the stuff I'm doing is nuts, but that's all because of, I don't know, like, all this stuff here. Minecraft command. Minecraft command. Pretty simple stuff. But then you got stuff like function. This is not Python command. This isn't. We need job to survive here? Dude, honestly, I have no clue. I would take it step by step. Just learn like simple print functions. Like print. Damn. Yeah. I don't know how the job market is there, but hey, that's like halfway around the world, I think. Probably. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, man, if you find like something that you enjoy with, then you could probably like do that. Full stack dev job. Oh, that. No, okay, that is rough. If you're, I love working in back end stuff. If you're doing like front end and back end, ooh. I'm guessing that's more for like web development or like web applications. Yeah. I mean, if you are interested in learning, what I'm doing right now is making data packs. I could totally teach you. It's not too hard. Oh, a startup? Ooh. Okay, okay. I wonder what the startup... If you don't mind me asking, do you know what the startup was called? Ooh. Oh, okay, so a small startup. Gotcha, gotcha. Hey, at least you have people. And that's a lot better where I'm going at. At 18 right now. So. Yeah, I sound way older. Yeah, technically I'm an adult. New table, we need function. if I were a full stack dev, I would love to build an web app to rival the current code editor I am, because this code editor, it's great, but it's not fully optimized for Minecraft code, specifically what I'm doing, Bolt and Beat. Like, it would be very nice for like an implementation where I can just code a data pack really, really fast. I mean, I am kind of working on one, but it is horrible. I think I use... It's a trying practice. Like I said, I do this for quite a while. Ooh, okay. Yo, it works! Oh my god, wait, that's it. And then we have the end NBT data. Okay. Shoot, I don't know. Honestly, I stream till I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep or something. Oh, okay, I'll tell you what happened. So, I kind of brute forced something. What I needed to do... Here, I'll print this out. Print NBT. Okay, we're gonna look at the console here. Yeah, sorry, there's data. This data I need to implement somehow, but what's the problem is it's a different type of data, and currently it's a Python string. I need to make it into Minecraft code. The only way I could do that was either CTX inject, which had trouble with the inline expression, which it's just indented. So I brute forced it. I brute forced it with yeah, I brute forced it with CTX data function command. Probably function. Yeah, it's I wonder if they can support F functions here. Ooh. Function. We need to call a list of functions. And a list of functions, I don't know. Expect NBT compound. Can I just do like... Okay. There it is. So we just need a format underscore function, and that equals to function name, but we're gonna have this as an NBT data where we can quickly import this. Yeah, it works. Oh, I love sitting in the darkness. It's nice. But it's low-key night outside, so... Yeah, it's very dark outside. So technically I am sitting in the brightness. I got a light like right up there. Okay, where did I put that print function? There it was. Spawning. Okay. Let's reload. Wait, is that? I wonder if this summon command works. Wait. It does not. Is it because of this? Data. Oh, it's because main dot bolt mob name has to be string. No. Nope. It's... Ooh, okay. Technically, yes, this is cheat codes. Commands basically let you modify the game. And currently... I feel like single quotes would work too. No? Double quotes? Justin Bieber? What? I'm pretty sure I don't look like Justin Bieber. Who knows? I take that as a compliment, you know? Oh shoot, that was the wrong thing. Mob name. It just completely drops. so confusing. See this F string. Oh. There's a bit of a problem here. Single quotes work? No. Hmm. Let's see. Mob name can't be. Mob name. Okay, format _, name equals mob name, print mob name, John Pork. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Oh my god. So then if we do /reload and let there be life, some might say. And look at that. They're holding custom items. I can implement extra MBT data. Ho ho ho. That's great. That's perfect. And it was all from this line of code. This is to create a new entity. That's so cool. Me. Okay. Yeah, this is me excited. Ooh. Oh yeah. Really good work. Execute function, and that just handles spawning. So here's the hard part. Can I have like a new zombie do? Run that through John Pork 2. Same thing though. Okay. That might get a little iffy when I have like, I'd say a lot of entities. I could probably reduce that. I'll do it later. Because I mean, also separating out in functions does make it run faster. So I'm guessing, yeah, I'll keep that. There's gonna be like a lot of functions. Yeah, gotta remove that. There we go. But hey, now we got a full on. When I do this, boom. It has a custom item in its name. Implemented NBT data, so NBT data injection. It was very iffy on that, but it works. I'm very happy. Now for config mob _ zombie. Yep, that works. And all it took was just all these lines of code to spawn whatever mob I want. Yeah, Very happy. And I could probably add like randomization too. Like if I want like attributes applied to the enemies like randomly. Man, this is like big gameplay over here. Man, I love building dynamic systems. Okay, well, I guess that's items or mob spawning done. I'm probably gonna label that. To register and create. Oh, you know what? I could always do something where I create like a spawn egg. Like a give player spawn egg. You know? Yeah, I will. This is register and create. And to monsters. Yeah, why not? So function dungeon entity. Actually, we're gonna do admin colon give slash all underscore mob spawn eggs. Okay, now here's the fun part. I'm gonna do where's the slash give current entity spawn egg. We're gonna do creeper spawn egg. Yeah, why not? Entity data. Okay. For mob and mob register. We're doing a marker entity with tags, format name. No, I'm not gonna sneeze. So now we got a new admin tab. And that gives us a creeper spawn egg. That if we do, oh, perfect. And now we just need to rename the item. And then we got item name. because I want to distinguish my items. Item name. It's gonna be mob.name. So if I do /reload and I do John Pork. Oh, look at that. Now should I add like health stats to the description? Tags, item name. Health. Minecraft default health equals 10. Config. Type equals husk. NBT. Oh, shoot, did I hit rename? Okay, we're going with my classic. There we go. Just gonna format this. There we go. Okay. Item. Mob dot. Mob dot health. And we're doing what? Int and that would be, why is it doing that? Bolt runtime. format, score lore. You know, I'm just doing Bolt runtime again. Jeez. Wait a minute, is this not updating? Excuse me? So why does lore do that? What? Okay. Huh? Why is that being difficult? Wait, am I using lore in anything else? Lore helper. That is weird. That's kind of an issue. Name, T, health, 10, type, hush. And green. John Pork? Yes. Okay. Mob.health. Mob.type. String. Health equals oh shoot. Wait, mob dot type. Mob capital. Ah. There it goes. Slash reload. And oh wait. Yeah, that's not a string. String dot. Type. Mob help. There you go. That's looking a lot better. Okay, so this is our basic item. Type husk. And it does exactly what it says. I don't know why you can't add item lore. That's kind of weird. Well, I think I might end the stream. Let's get a better music. Well, thank you everybody. Thank you. It's been a wonderful stream, but it is late out, and yeah. We got done a lot of stuff today, especially with mob spawning, and I mean this is kind of interesting here. Lots of bugs in this. It's very difficult, but this is the ended like code here. I'd say we did a really good job with that, and even though it didn't seem like a lot, this is huge, especially for like custom mobs. If we go over into config here, this is all we need to generate both an admin item, mob spawning, and custom mob logic. So hey, thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your night, evening, or day. Bye bye.